I have a new handlebar going on the T7 today. This is the Tusk Chub KTM bend off of Rocky Mountain ATVMC. It ran me around $60 off of their website. I was gonna hold off on this, but I figured why not? The handlebars aren't that expensive, and the OEM are known to not be that strong. They actually have a couple of drilled holes right and left side, and that creates the weak points. I've actually seen a video recently where a guy's off-roading his T7, lays the bike down to the right, and snaps the handlebar right where that drill hole is. And why do they put those little drill holes? It's just to better hold the right and left side controls. But I've seen people do handlebar upgrades and they just snap the little plastic pins on the controls to put them on the new bars, and they hold just fine. Let's get started on the install. Get the Zeta hand guards off. Front brake. New grips on the way. Almost got the OEM off. I'll get you a side by side. Just a second. OEM. The new Tusk handlebar is on. Still waiting on the new grips to come in. I just used the old one to kind of wing the positioning of the left controls. The one thing I did run into, this handlebar is slightly lower. So when I was turning to the left, the throttle cables were hitting the speedo display on the left turns. So what I ended up doing is leading the throttle cable in front of the brake line. So we'll see how that does. I think it's going to work just fine. If anything, I can always just swap back to the OEM. That's still a good bar. Let's go for a quick ride, see how it feels. Should be able to catch some sunlight in the canyon. 6:50 p.m. They are slightly lower than the OEM Yamaha. Pull over here. Can't see anything. I didn't put my rear views on. The car's right behind me. Hard to tell unless you're doing like a back-to-back test. They are a little bit lower. The one thing that's nice about that, if I were to get risers in the future to fit that Scott steering stabilizer to kind of even things out again. I don't know if I like this though, because since they are a little bit lower, I'm kind of a little more hunched on the bike just road riding. Here they have a little more of a bend to the inside, which kind of gives you more of a natural grip. those OEMs were a little bit more straight out. I'm gonna try to loosen the bars a bit and just swing them a little bit more towards me. That'll be good. I gotta just get used to it. Sometimes, you know, you buy something and you kind of want to force yourself to like it, so just spend the money on it. I think I like the look more than anything. It's really nice on the bike. I'll ride the bike for an extended period of time just to get a feel for these bars and see what I think. The one thing I do know for a fact, these will hold up better in a crash situation. They won't snap in half. They don't have freaking holes in them. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that short install video of the Tusk Chub KTM bend bars. I'll catch you in the next one.